Hello students, today we will learn science.
Hello students, we all know that there are three basic needs for humans, that are food, cloth and shelter. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. For example, we wear cotton clothes in summer season, woolen clothes in winter season. These clothes are made up of fabric, and fabric is made up of fibers. So fibers are of mainly two types. They are natural fibers and man-made fibers, or also called synthetic fibers. Natural fibers are the fibers which we obtain from nature, and man-made fibers are prepared by human beings. Natural fibers are again subdivided into two types, that are plant fibers and animal fibers. The fibers which we obtain from plants are called plant fibers. For example, cotton, jute, etc. The fibers which we obtain from animals are called animal fibers. For example, wool, silk, etc. In this class, we will discuss about an animal fiber, that is wool. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe wool, list the animals that yield wool, describe the process of obtaining wool from sheep, explain the processing of fibers into wool. The main source of wool is sheep. The wool yielding animals bear thick coat of hair on their body. These hair trap a lot of air, and since air is a poor conductor of heat, so hair keeps the animal warm and dry, allowing the animals to live in cold and harsh climate. The hair covering of the wool yielding animals is called as fleece. The hairy skin of sheep has two types of fibers, that are the coarse beard hair and the fine soft hair close to the skin. And the coarse hair provide fibers for making carpets, and the fine hair provides fibers for making woolen clothes. The process of selecting parents for obtaining special characters like soft hair in their offspring is called as selective breeding. So simply, in selective breeding, the parents are selected so that their offspring or the newborn goat, when they get mature, they can produce good quality of wool. Some animals other than the sheep can also produce wool. They are yak, Angora goat, Kashmiri goat, camel, alpaca, llama. Yak. Yak wool is common in Tibet and Ladakh. Angora goat. It is found in hilly regions such as Jammu and Kashmir. The wool obtained from Angora goat is called Angora wool. Kashmiri goat. The wool obtained from it is very soft and is used to weaving fine shawls. These shawls are popular as Pashmina shawls. Camel. The fur of the body of the camel is also used as wool. Llama and alpaca. They are found in South America and they yield wool. From fibers to wool. To get wool of good quality, sheep needs to be fed nutritious diet, Apart from what the sheep get from grazing, they are fed with pulses, corn, jowar, etc. It means that we have to provide all the nutrients to the sheep so that we can get good quality of wool, as sheep cannot get all the nutrients through grazing. We have to provide them pulses, corn and jowar so that they can get sufficient nutrients. Sheep are reared in many parts of our country for wool. Here in this table you can see different breeds of sheep, the quality of wool and the states where they are found. Processing of fibers into wool. The first step is shearing. Removal of fleece from the body of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin is called shearing. Shearing does not harm the sheep as the uppermost layer of skin is dead. This mainly done in summer. It means that in shearing, the removal of fleece from the body of the sheep takes place by using machines, and it is done in summer season. Why it is done in summer season? Because if it is done in winter season, then the sheep cannot survive in very low temperature as their fleece is removed. The next step was scouring. The process of washing the sheep skin with hair to remove grease, dust and dirt is called scouring. It means that the fibers that obtained from shearing contains dirt such as grease and dust. It must be removed before further processing. So, in scouring, this sheared skin with hair is washed thoroughly by hand or machines. Then sorting. Process of separating the hair of the sheep according to their texture is called as sorting. In this process, the hair are sent to factories for separating according to their texture. It means that the fibers obtained from scouring have different textures and they are sorted according to their texture. For example, coarse hair are used in making rugs and fine hair used for making clothes. The next step is cleaning of burrs. Small fluffy fibers called burrs are removed from the hair and the fibers are scoured again and dried. आप सभी लोगों ने अपने ड्रेस पे देखा होगा कोई छोटा छोटा रेशा जैसे चीज़ें निकलती हैं, उस रेशे जैसे चीज़ों को बोलते हैं बर्स. सो these are removed in this process. The next step was dyeing. Okay, not DIE, it was DYE, मतलब कलर करना. The fibers are dyed in different colors. So in this process क्या करते हैं, हम फाइबर्स को डिफरेंट कलर्स में डाई करते हैं. The next step was rolling of wool. The fibers obtained is straightened out, combed and then rolled into yarns and wool is ready to use. Now let us summarize what we have learned in this video. Wool is an animal fiber. Wool is obtained from sheep, goat, yak, camel, alpaca and llama. Removal of fleece from the body of sheep using a machine is called as shearing. Washing the fleece to remove grease, dirt and dust is called scouring. That's all for today. Thank you.